In this video, I will show how to download Python, and also I will write our first program in Python. So let's go to Google Chrome to download it. Here, go to link python.org/downloads, or you can go to Google and simply type Python and the first website, which is python.org, and then click on this downloads tab, and this will give you a download link. If you click on this link, you will download Python exe file. Once you downloaded it, install it, keep all the settings default. It's just going to work fine. And after you complete installation, we are going to see logo here or maybe here. So click on that logo and a shell pops up. In this shell, we can run all the Python code here, but we are not going to use shell. Just I'm showing you what shell is. Just type any number and hit enter. You printed out that number, and you can do addition like this, and you can do all kind of Python code here, but we are not going to use this shell. Instead, we are going to use a file from here. Create new file. Now here, close that shell. First, save this file. Save it anywhere you want. I'm saving it on desktop, so name it whatever you want. I'm giving it test name. Now we have saved this file as test. So to write our first program here, we will print out a number here. So simply type print and any number. Remember, you need to give this opening and closing brackets, also called parentheses. So after you've done it, simply press F5 to run this program. As you can see, this number is printed out here. Also, you can run this by clicking on this run, and then here, as you can see, the shortcut for it is F5. So you can do math operation here, like 6 plus 6 is 12. As you can see, 12 is printed out. And if you want to type any alphabets or any characters and then run it, you will get error. And this is not defined. Whatever we have typed here is not defined. That's what Python compiler is saying. But to run any string like that, we have to type that string inside two quotations like this. Hello there. And now run it. As you can see, this is successfully runs.